Okay, guys. Good morning, by the way. So, the blizzard, it's a thing. It's a real thing. We just got in from being outside. As you can tell, I have amazing hat hair. Harvey's just not high enough off the ground to move efficiently out there. Oh my god, I was just cracking up. I was just cracking up at this little guy. Oh man, that's probably the best part about this. But there's a lot of snow out there. There's a lot. I'm looking at this branch and there's like 6 inches coming off this branch. Hold on, let me show you. This branch here that has like 6 inches just coming off of it. That's crazy. Crazy. Some of these branches are probably gonna break. Not those, but some different ones out there. Okay, let me back up. Get a big view of our winter wonderland out there. It's crazy. We are just chilling to the ultimate maximum chill level today. Hanging out while we have this blizzard going on. I'm actually working from home today. Meg is off today. It's just been a good day. What do you have at your feet?
A heater rat.
A heater rat?
Mm-hmm.
Oh, it's a heater rat. Oh my god, you know what annoys me? People that wear their socks like that.
They were in a boot. I pulled the boot off and pulled my sock. They're your socks in their boot.
We making General Tso's chicken, and this is the poop sauce. The Kyle special, just pretty much heated up chicken and some General Tso sauce. General Tso's! General Tso's! Do you think I'm weird?
Yes.
General Tso's!
Molly's Thursday, January 2016, Blizzard, October 2016, lots of new brands.
Trying to say something?
What, you want to see?
Huh? No, I said, is she trying to say something?
Riley was born in October.
They got a doggy.
So,
A big doggy. So, apparently Meg just showed me some pictures of her car. And I'm gonna go look at it with her because I think we have a problem.
hold on, I don't have the key.
So apparently Meg needed some problem fixer.
Problem fixer.
And now we're on our way to check her car.
Harvey's gonna run away.
Oh yeah, fun fact, our heat is broken, but it feels fine. Meg's just crying about it.
It's freezing! Hey, you in the truck, help the bro out, dog. Don't leave. Do you want to make $50?
Who thinks they're going to work tomorrow?
I have to, you know?
Meg's going to work tomorrow.
They're burgers and fries, damn it.
Current situation. Ooh, oh man. It's a little chilly. It's a little chilly.
Bury my shovel, I cannot find it.
Oh, really? That's what you were looking for? Oh, that's nice.
Well, that was a good one.
I feel like we're in the movie Ice Age. Just no animated squirrels. You're doing great.
Thanks, dog.
You know what's also a good part about the weather being like this? Is it's really, really quiet. Everybody's like walking in the streets and stuff. It's really cool. I should probably help make. Dude, this is awesome.
Have I silenced beasts yet?
What are you doing?
Frickin' telling the whales to shut their frickin' loud fat bodies up. Is that silence?
I don't think they heard your Swiffer.
They better have frickin' heard my Swiffer. I can't take it anymore. I can't.
Oh man. They love to stomp.
That's all they do.
Meg was just banging on the ceiling with the Swiffer because our neighbors upstairs are very, how should I put this, not quiet. They stomp and bang and throw boxes, and I mean, I'm loud when I play video games and stuff, but it's not the banging and the dropping
You
things.
can be that humanly loud. Like if I walk around, okay, let me think. This is me walking around loud. That doesn't make that any noise.
You don't know how it sounds though below.
But they literally go. I'm like, what the F? Like, come on.
Wait, show me again. What do they
I
do?
hate you so
What do they do?
I'm not doing it.
They do.
It's the whole apartment shakes.
My
Things
sister.
fall over. Things fall over.
My sister's never gonna watch this, but she's a stomper.
I'm a stomper.
Like she's a real big stomper.
You know I'm a stomper, and I close cupboards really loud. I'm not a graceful person, but they are literally like Shamu is out of his tank and dying.
What's the Yeti?
The Bumble?
Yeah, the Bumble's upstairs. Oh man, apartment living, guys.
I wish the Bumble lived above us. This would only be one.
A Swiffer.
F them, they deserved it. It's been almost a year now of this torture.
Blizzard 2K16.
Done with them 2K16.
Army, can you run? Can you run?